Eric with Radiator Grill Store doing an install on a 991.1S. So we're gonna need the grills, and we're gonna need some painter's tape, and we're gonna need a little bit of patience. Here, these are really tough to get off. We have two tabs, one on each side, left and right, and then we also have a tab in the middle. We need to release the tab in the middle. And then we need to pull these tabs this way, and then this one goes that way. And they are on there really, really good. You gotta get a lot of force. Well, that one came out forcefully. Start from the outside by pulling the tab towards the center. Put painter's tape all along the turn signal. Painter's tape along this middle bar. Come on, tape, work with me. Painter's tape along the side here. Grill slide in with the ridge up. And you'll have to bend and work it through this opening. It is very tight. Get your hand in here. And twist it through the middle and work its way into the cavity. There's also a tab up here that you need to get behind, but we already got behind that. Utilizing the cable ties, pull the grill towards the center of the vehicle and get it to sit behind this bumper area. Now loosely secure the cable ties around the horizontal bars, rotating the receiving end towards the back, just aft of the horizontal bar. Do not pull the cable ties too tight as to bend the grill. Just want them to be nice and snug. Remove the tape. Take side cutters and clip off the ends. Replace the beauty clips, or the beauty trim. Oh, that one goes in the bottom. And your install is complete.